Hello, my AM Studies 140 students. This is Professor Donald Collins. For my summer 2020 students, happy Memorial Day. This is, well, how do you say happy Memorial Day? Even if we weren't under pandemic conditions, this actually isn't a happy occasion. It's a commemorative occasion for fallen soldiers and fallen so-called heroes of the American past and present. Memorial Day was enacted during World War II. Well, actually, first enacted during the Civil War, permanently enacted during the 1940s during World War II period when so many soldiers came home hurt and dead from fighting. So let's be honest about that. But in any case, it's week 2, and I've only heard from 1/4 of the class in terms of their availability for Skype or Zoom or any form of virtual video classroom conferencing for week 1 and perhaps for week 2. So I have no choice but to impose times and dates on you, right? And I'm going to do that for starting week 2, try to set up something so that by week 3 we can basically be on treadmill of being on certain times during the course of the week. Technically, we're supposed to meet twice a week on Tuesdays from 1 p.m. to 4:10 p.m., but because of the pandemic, we've moved this class online. So that I've been trying to treat you as if we're all adults and that you don't have times that work roughly with those times, because I don't have times that correspond perfectly with those times either. Some of you are on the other side of the world, and most of the folks who are on the other side of the world in China and Korea and other places have not responded to my emails at all. So as a result of that, I am imposing times. I will have a time on Tuesday that will be earlier, and I'll have a time on Thursday that will be later. And I hope that during those 2 time frames that I will be able to meet with some of you. Whether you are in China or Korea, or whether you are in California or in DC or some point in between. So look to the announcements for those specific times for this Tuesday and this Thursday. After that, I'm probably going to keep the Tuesday, Thursday schedule for the course in general, or maybe Tuesday and Wednesday, depending on how things work out. But ideally, you should be emailing me at collinsd@american.edu, or my Gmail address, which is also listed on the syllabus, to let me know what works for you and what definitely doesn't work for you. This really shouldn't be that hard. I mean, I'm asking you to sort of be an adult and tell me what works and doesn't work for you. I'm trying to do things on my end, but I'm not clairvoyant, and expecting me to guess what works and doesn't work for you is actually unfair. So that's my little 2 cents on that. Please get back to me as soon as possible. If I do not hear from you by the end of this week, which as far as I'm concerned is this Friday, May the 29th, then I will just impose times. And if you can't make any of those times, then if you do all the work, the highest grade you can probably get now is an A- instead of an A, I guess. So please let me know. Please, respond in kind. Do unto others as I'm doing unto you. I'm trying to give you the opportunity to let me know, so please let me know. Thank you.